Good morning, students. A warm welcome in RPS Group of Schools for online classes of science. Today, we will discuss Module 2 of Chapter Nutrition in Animals. Here, today's learning objectives are the first step of nutrition in animals, that is, ingestion of food, and the organs for ingesting food in humans like buccal cavity, teeth, tongue, and salivary glands. Nutrition in humans. As you know, children, human beings are omnivores. Humans' food includes both plant materials like stem, leaves, roots, etc., and animal products like egg, meat, and milk. The food we eat is broken down into simpler molecules by the digestive system. Digestive system in man includes a set of organs which help in the process of digestion of food. The digestive tract and the associated glands together constitute the digestive system in humans. If you see, the digestive tract is a long coiled food tube which is open at both the ends. It is called alimentary canal or food canal. Food is taken in through the mouth. Starting from the mouth, the organs of the digestive system are the buccal cavity, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum, and anus. Along with the alimentary canal, there are some more glands or organs associated with the alimentary canal that secrete digestive juices and enzymes that are stored and used to convert the complex food substances into simpler soluble substances. These glands are liver, pancreas, and salivary glands. So children, we can say that the alimentary canal and the digestive glands together form a system in the human body which is responsible for the digestion of food in the body. And the system is together called the digestive system. In humans, the alimentary canal is about 9-meter long tube. The small intestine is about 6 meter and large intestine is about 1.5 meter long. Now let's study about ingestion of food. Food is taken into the alimentary canal through the mouth. We put food morsels or small bits of food into the mouth with our hands. We bite and chew the food with the teeth present in the jaws. Chewing helps in grinding or crushing the food. Then, tongue is a muscular organ, fleshy in nature, attached to the back of the base of the buccal cavity. It helps in mixing saliva with food while chewing and aids in swallowing. The tongue also possesses taste buds that help us recognize the different tastes of the food. Now let's talk about saliva. Saliva comes from salivary glands. Saliva is a viscous, transparent liquid which contains mainly water, salts, and mucin. Saliva contains an enzyme called amylase, which helps in the conversion of starch into soluble sugar, that is in the form of maltose. Mucus and saliva makes the food slimy and slippery so that it is easily swallowed through the food pipe. Thus, the process of digestion begins in the buccal cavity. Chewing of food and its mixing with saliva is called mastication. Food in the mouth is chewed to pulp or bolus and is mixed with mucus from saliva to make it smooth and slippery. The pulp or the bolus slips into the esophagus through the throat. Three pairs of salivary glands are present in the buccal cavity, which releases saliva in the mouth. These glands are parotid gland, sublingual gland, and submandibular gland. Now let's study about teeth. In humans, teeth grow twice in their lifetime. First set of 20 teeth appears by the age of 2 years. These teeth are called milk teeth or temporary teeth. These milk teeth fall one by one and a new set of 32 permanent teeth is formed by the age of 12. These teeth are called permanent teeth and last for the rest of the life. If you see the diagram, there are 4 types of teeth you find: incisors, canines, molars, and premolars. Let's study about these teeth. There are 4 types of teeth found in the buccal cavity. Incisors. The number of teeth in upper jaw is 4, and in the lower jaw you find 4. So in total there are 8 incisors. The function of the incisors is to bite and cut the food. Canines. There are 2 canines in the upper jaw and 2 canines in the lower jaw. In total, we have 4 canines. It helps in tearing the food. Premolars. There are 4 premolars in the upper jaw and 4 premolars in the lower jaw. In total, we have 8 premolars. It helps in chewing and grinding the food. And the last one is molars. There are 6 molars in the upper jaw and 6 molars in the lower jaw. In total, we have 12 molars. Again, it helps in the chewing and grinding of food. So in total, we have 32 permanent teeth. Let's talk about the structure of the tooth. Each tooth is fixed into sockets in the jawbone by its long roots. Each tooth has the following parts. It is divided into 3 basic parts. The root, the part of a tooth which is embedded inside the jaw. The second part is the neck part, which is the part between the root and the crown. And the last part is the crown, the topmost part of the tooth outside the gums. Now let's study about the tooth. Internally, the tooth is made up of dentine. It is a hard bone-like structure which surrounds the pulp. What is pulp? Pulp cavity is inside the dentine. There is a soft pulp cavity which contains blood vessels and nerves. And the outermost part is the enamel. It is the white part of the tooth and is the hardest substance in our body, even harder than the bones. It is deposited outside the crown of the tooth. Enamel contains calcium salts. It is secreted by dentine. With this, we end up this module. We'll join you soon with another module of this chapter. Till then, take good care of yourself, students. Study hard. Goodbye.